Hello, Daryl from Makita. What's in the box? There's a new product out here. We've got a double kit now. You can get the 40 volt XGT, combi and impact driver as a double kit. As you can see, we'll have a look at what we get now. So we've done it with a material bag. You get two 40 volt XGT batteries. These are 2.5s. Now these have got a charge time of 28 minutes, but you can charge them at any time you want. Very long lasting when you compare it to the 18 volt range. Done with a cap as well. We've got the combination drill and its side handle. This has got a massive 140 newton meters of twist torque. 68 newton meters in its soft mode and 140 in its hard mode. Metal chuck, you've got 2 speeds. You've got screwdriver, drill and percussion mode. It's got an electronic clutch, so you can actually set it to different modes by doing the electronic clutch. And there's 41 settings in that. Variable speed. You've also got an LED light and it's brushless. This can go left or right, can the handle. So that's your combi. You've got the impact driver, massive 220 newton meters of torque. This has got 4 modes to it. So you've got 3 bolt modes and a wood mode. You've also got a great T mode for doing thin and thick metal. This one's 220 newton meters with a digital setting on the front, so you can set it to your favorite setting as well. Great addition to the XGT range. We've got the depth stop for the drill itself in case you want to set different depths of drill. You've got the clips for each machine if you want to fasten it onto your belt, and it comes with the fast XGT charger and the adapter. Now the adapter allows you to put the 18 volt lithium batteries onto the charger, and it normally gives you probably an advantage of 10 minutes faster charge. The lithium batteries slide on here. You've got a double fan, and that is for your 18 volt lithium batteries. So a 40 volt charger, but also the added bonus of an 18 volt lithium charger. So this is the new twin kit for 40 volt combi and impact driver set. If you're interested, put a comment, or get yourself down to that dealer or online and get yourself one. Thanks for watching.